Hey guys, this is Prasant and you're watching Tech Answered, so let's get started. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the operands and operators in Linux Shell. First, operands. What are operands? So the two values which are compared on left hand side and right side of an operator are called as operands. Okay. So let us consider four variables: a equal to 10, b 20, c equal to tech, d equal to capital Tech. Okay. So if $a equals $b, okay, in this example, $a and $b are operands, whereas hyphen eq is the operator. Okay. So don't go around if condition and other things because I will explain that, but just understand I want to explain you what is operand in and what is operators in a Linux shell. Okay. So second thing is that if condition is true, if this condition becomes true, then only if condition will execute. Means this condition here, whatever I enter inside this square bracket has to become true in order to execute any line which was given inside if statement. Next, again, if $C equal to $D, in this example, $C and $D are two operands, whereas equal to is an operator. Again, same situation, if this condition evaluates to true, then only if statement and if block will execute, otherwise it will not execute. So understanding operand 1 is compared to operand 2 using some operator. Okay, what are the operators? We will see next. If block will only execute when the condition is true. This please remember it. If condition will only execute when the condition is true. Next is operators for numerical data operations. Okay, so if we have to compare two values, say number 10 and number 20, so we will use hyphen eq. So if dollar number one hyphen eq equal to dollar number two, in this situation we can specify this condition will become true if value of two operands are equal. Hyphen any condition is true if value of two operands are not equal. Hyphen gt for greater than or equal to. So this condition will become true only if the value of left operand is greater than value of right operand. This condition will be true if the value of left operand is greater than value of right operand. And we have greater than or equal to. So condition is true if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to value of right operand. And last is less than or equal to. Next is operators for arithmetic operations. So we know this very well and I am not going to explain much. So I will just explain this multiplication thing. So this in case we are using expr command, which is a mathematical expression command in Linux shell, then we will use this functionality to multiply any number with any number. Okay, this may or may not work. Next is double equal. Okay, so these are self-explanatory. I will not explain operators in arithmetic operation. Now operators for files or directory evaluation. Okay, in case if hyphen f space file condition is true if file exists. Okay, so suppose I have to go inside a directory and then I have to run some particular script files. So first thing I have to verify whether the directory exists or not. So what I will do, I will write this statement in my shell program if hyphen d space directory name. Okay, if the directory exists, then only this condition will become true and then Linux shell will go inside this if block. Second thing is that whether I want to check before executing this file, I want to see whether this file exists or not. If it does not exist, then I want to throw an error that file does not exist. So I will write inside this if hyphen d dir, I will write another if statement if hyphen f file. I'll give the file name. So it will check if the file exists, then this condition will become true and then I can go to run my next commands. If this condition itself become false, then next commands will not execute and Linux shell will move to another commands. Okay. Similarly, if hyphen s space file, so this condition will check if the file exists and has size greater than 0. Okay, then only it will operate further commands inside if block. If hyphen r space file condition is true only if the file exists and is readable. Same for w if the file exists and is writable. If the file exists and is executable, so hyphen x. Other operators are hyphen b for block, hyphen c for character special file, hyphen U for user UID, hyphen G for GID, hyphen K for sticky bit, but no need of using all these things. Okay, whatever I have mentioned here, these are more than enough for you guys. So let us see next thing, which is operators for string data. In order to compare two string values in Linux, we have to use these operators. So first is equal to. Condition is true if both string are equal. Okay, not equal, condition is true if both are not equal. If hyphen n, that means condition is true if string 1 is not a null string. Okay, and if hyphen z, condition is true if string 1 is a null string. Okay, so maybe I want to execute certain conditions only if the string mentioned in the program is a null string, then only I want to execute my next statement. So I will use this kind of a statement in my program. Okay, so I will show the uses of all of these things what I am explaining here in the tutorial video. Next is logical operators. So logical operators within cell are this sign. So this is for negative. Okay, hyphen a for binary and hyphen o for binary or. Okay, so these are the logical operators. So guys, that's it for this video. In the next video I will try to make a video on if statement, okay, if condition, if block, so that I can explain most of the logical operators within the program. Thank you guys, take care.